In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an ATH ATL tracker in TradingView Pro. This is a really useful tool if you want to quickly see all-time highs and all-time lows on your charts without having to manually scan back through price history. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. Just pick the chart you normally use. Once you're on your chart, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually at the top of the chart area and might be labeled indicators or indicators and strategies, depending on your version. Go ahead and click that. This will open up the indicators window, which is where we can search for and add new tools to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search box near the top. Click on that search box so your cursor is active there. This is where you'll type the name of the indicator you're looking for. In this case, start typing ATH ATL Tracker. As you type, TradingView will begin filtering the indicators that match your search. Take a moment to make sure you've typed it correctly, so the right results show up. When you see the ATH ATL Tracker appear in the list, simply click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart. You should now see new lines or labels that highlight the all-time high and all-time low levels for the asset you're viewing. If nothing appears right away, zoom out a bit on your chart or switch timeframes to make sure you're seeing the full picture. From here, you can customize how the tracker looks. If you move your mouse over the indicator's name at the top left of the chart and click on the settings icon, you'll be able to adjust colors, line styles, and visibility. This is handy if you want the ATH and ATL levels to stand out more clearly against your existing chart setup. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want to unlock more chart layouts, more indicators on screen, and additional tools, check out the affiliate link in the video description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to the same pro features shown in this tutorial.